So first of all, I've got to clean the water out. And the washing machine's done. Yes. It's Bluey. How you doing, Bluey? Hi, how you doing? You alright? Right, let's go and clean Bluey's water. Be back in a minute, Bluey. Be good. You're very cheeky, aren't you? Can't budge. So you have to hold on a minute. Lots of water. And then, good bird, don't dive bombing it. Oh dear. Bless you, Bluey. Bless you. Right, ready to get chopped up. Right, first things first, I just got to scoop out the dead seeds. We should leave them in. Not dead, but the shells. That's where we keep Bluey seeds. Isn't it? There you go, Bluey, one side's done. Now I've got to do this side. Whoop. Okay. Do you want me to move your millet? Oh, you're alright. Yeah, right. No, don't do anything that you normally do. Oh, bugger off! Wait, Bluey! Don't moan. What are you moaning for? Hey, what are you moaning for?
If you want to say it.
Ah. I've done it, Bluey. I'm about to get you a peg. What? I know you want your millet. Thank you.
And that problem, and again,
What are you doing? Bluey, what are you doing?
that problem is exacerbated, made worse in the case of Tomcat case, because in effect, going to come on to what happened here, but you say that what happened
Right, we're back in a minute.
necessarily mark Mum's thought person. But first of all,
Peg. Just
what's that over there?
see you in a minute.
This is blanket.
Bluey!
At some point, first of all,
Stick
Norman
broke
got
on.
lost.
I'm going to blame you, Bluey, for some reason. Sorry! Sorry! I know you're beautiful. I know you're beautiful.
When he was 5 months, he got lost for a few days, and then he returned.
Right, if we lose him for 3 days, what did that do to you?
Very upset, felt lost.
We slept downstairs in the hope that he'd come in.
Now, was he the type that would strut about and come back only after 3 days?
Yeah, he was.
Right. Now, one of the ways of curing that, perhaps, is to make sure that Norman was microchipped.
God. You know, you happy, Bluey? Are you happy eating your millet?
Mum had microchipped him.
Right, good bird.
I knew she hadn't, but I did ask after doing this to get him down.
Sorry for my messy hair.
Why didn't you tell the cat to be microchipped?
Woken up basically. That's it. Showing top Bluey up, feeding her. Yeah. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Each day.
I'll give you a shout out in my next video.
Now, it's got
Anyone who
missing ones.
subscribes. And make sure to give it a thumbs up so you can recommend other people to my video. Also, make sure to comment down below what you're thinking, suggestions for future videos. It doesn't have to be Bluey, but it can be anything. So, yeah. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family. And yeah, make sure to keep positive, be happy, and see you again
It was heartbreaking. I just physically couldn't stop crying. I just had to look away because it was.